I found one recipe that blends ease and deliciousness perfectly. 30-minute shrimp pasta. Um, Not a life changer, but sometimes you need to just have a good meal without all the waiting. Um, Imagine al dente pasta mingling with juicy shrimp, and it takes half an hour. Um, talk about like a major rib. Like it's like first to gather your ingredients: 1 pound of shrimp, fettuccine, garlic, olive oil, parmesan, cream, and any green herb you love. And simple, right? This simplicity can be deceptive, but in a good way, uh, like a well-timed plot twist. Oh, and don't forget lemon juice for that citrusy pop. Start by boiling water for your pasta. That's your first step, but isn't waiting for water to boil a universal pain point. Multitask, prep your shrimp while you wait, and shell, devein, and rinse them. Pro tip, buy prep shrimp to save a few minutes. Um, Now, once your fettuccine hits the water, it's a good time to focus on that shrimp. But heat olive oil in a pan, toss in minced garlic, and hear that sizzle. Is there anything more rewarding than sizzling garlic aroma? Maybe winning the lottery, but garlic satisfaction is within reach. Toss shrimp in next. Let them cook until they're pink. Only a few minutes needed, and overcooking makes them rubbery, a chewy catastrophe. A key shrimp trick: when they curl into a C, they're good to go. With shrimp done, pour in your cream and throw in Parmesan. A lack of Parmesan can ruin the sauce, like losing a plot in a big budget movie. Stir and let it simmer. A creamy spectacle should be glistening back at you. Drain the pasta. Keep a bit of the pasta water because it's crucial, like a secret ingredient in magic potions. Add pasta to the pan. Toss everything together. Blend until the sauce hugs your fettuccine lovingly. A few minutes, and it's like a culinary masterpiece emerged from a plot twist. And season with salt, pepper, and your chosen herbs. Um, Imagine every bite enriched with layers of flavor, like a well-constructed novel. And it became not consider basil or parsley. Um, they bring freshness and color, like new characters in a story. Finish with a squeeze of lemon. This step is the unsung hero, elevating the dish to new heights. The acid cuts through the creaminess, creating balance, your own culinary yin and yang. Imagine shrimp pasta without lemon, just incomplete. Serve it hot. This isn't just food, it's an experience. A meal gone cold is like missing the punchline of a joke. Um, Pair it with a white wine if you choose, not mandatory, but infinitely rewarding. This dish, so worth the small investment of time. This recipe isn't just about cooking fast, it's about making your life simpler, even if just for an evening. Isn't it nice when things go smoothly, like writing with no writer's block? And that's how you end up with something marvelous on your plate and a smile on your face. Um, Finally, you might think shrimp pasta is just another recipe, but when you find something that really works, it's a little victory and a small joy found within a busy routine. And that's truly what I wanted to share. Enjoy it